So, we are right here sa pagpapatuloy po natin sa pagbibigay ng mga updates dito sa ongoing na MTAP. We have Ma'am Elena Romano there on top of everything dito sa class ng grade. Ma'am Elena, grade 3. So, here are yung mga grade 3 natin, young boys and young girls coming from different schools who are now participating in this ongoing MTAP. Ayan, nakaporma pa. Astig na astig, no? Yung mga bigatin, pumorma na, no? Sandali lang ako, mama. Kukunan natin ng ano. Ayan. Yung activities nila. Ayan. May mga activities na natin. And ito.
One number for each box lang ah. 6,000. One number for each box. Okay. So, tama yung natin dyan. 2, 6.
Astig.
37.
Ma'am Elena, thank you so much. Slowly but surely, papasok tayo sa room. Ma'am, kuha lang ako ng footage, no? This is grade 3. So we do have young boys and young girls, grade 3, coming from different schools of Ballesteros District, undergoing, of course, yung ongoing administration and conduct of MTAP 2010 dito sa Ballesteros Central School. And we have a very beautiful teacher there who shall be with them, of course, for the rest of the period of this ongoing MTAP program. Okay? Yan, lumilingon sa atin yung mga kabataan natin. This is a very nice group. And hopefully, they shall be earning a lot of things coming from Ma'am. Okay. To Ma'am, thank you so much, Ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Okay. Palabas tayo, papunta tayo sa isang room. And we do notice na may mga parents pa rin dito. Of course, nandyan yung mga parents na kantabay sa kanilang mga anak. Okay, so we have to move on for our next update as we are slowly coming into another room just to give you an update of what's going on with MTAP, which is started today. It's a rainy, wet Saturday. Okay?
So this is 746. It's expanded from 700 plus 40 plus 6. Let's go to number 6. 6,000 plus black. Plus 40 plus 1. O, ano yung nasa blanco? Number 6.
So this is Mrs. Taboon. What grade, ma'am, ito?
Grade 3, sir.
Okay, grade 3 po. Okay, this is a group of grade 3 now going up with the initial activities for the ongoing MTAP right here at Ballesteros Central. And we have Ma'am Taboon to be with them during the rest of the period of the MTAP.
Ano na naman yun? Yung nasa next, number 7. Kasi iba-iba yung mga nandyan, iba. 9,068. Right in, expanded from again.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, good morning, ma'am. At kuha lang tayo na updates, ano? This are, anong grade po ito?
Grade 4, sir.
Grade 4. And they came from different schools of Ballesteros District, joining ang ating MTAP. Ayan, young boys as well as young girls. Ilan silang lahat, ma'am? All in all, as of this time?
52, sir.
52. Okay. Okay na okay lang ang grupo. Okay, so I wish you good luck. Sana, may mga familiar faces dito. Sinong taga Kabuluan? Tumayo. Okay, Kabuluan. Ikon ko yung ibang school. Central. Ay, sa kabila. West Central. Doon ang West Central. Then, Cabaritan East. Cabaritan West. Ayun, may isa. Cabaritan West. And then, Santa Cruz. There goes Santa Cruz. Amubuan. Palok. Ay, yes, Palok. Wala. Ano pang school sa... Mabutal. Ano na kontra natin? Sitanga. Oh, there they are. Sitanga. Then we have Fugu. Fugu, please. Then we have Nararagan. Nararagan. Okay, there they are. San Juan. San Juan. Japanese schools. Wawang. Wawang. Payagan East. Payagan West. Payagan West. Japanese school. Okay, so all in all, 52, and I have to thank you, ma'am, and I wish you good luck. Sana matulungan natin ang ating mga boys and girls. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Okay, so sa ating pagbibigay ng mga updates itong ongoing na MTAP dito sa Ballesteros Central School, nandito tayo sa room ngayon ni Sir Rico Publico. Ang Sir Rico, anong grade boy ito?
Grade 4, sir.
Grade 4, and they came from different schools ng Ballesteros District. Mga ilan na sila, Sir Rico?
52, sir.
As of this time, 52 young boys and young girls, grade 4, who are joining, of course, ang ating ongoing na MTAP. Thank you so much, Sir Rico.
Thank you, sir.
Pumopogi tayo, ha? Okay. Ito yung grupo ng grade 4. Taga saan ka na ko? Anong school? Palok. Ikaw? Palok din. Sino pang ibang schools dito? Aside from Palok, anong school na ko? Mabutal. Okay? What else? Diyan, what school? Central. Ano pa yung school? Wala na iba? Anong school ka?
Kabalitan East.
Cabaritan East. Wala bang Hong Kong? Okay. So, thank you, Sir Rico. Thank you.
Okay.